Today, we're gonna talk about how to do flat and incline bench dumbbell press. First, start by grabbing the dumbbells from the floor as if you're doing a deadlift, maintaining a straight back and placing the dumbbell on your knees. Never pull the dumbbells from the floor with your arms and back only, as it will risk a lot of injuries. Now lay down on the bench and push the dumbbells with your knees until your hands are straight in the air. Never let your wrist bend backwards, as it will remove the whole tension from your chest and it will put too much tension on your wrist, forearms and elbows, and this will have a high risk of injuries. Now go down as much as your mobility allows and then push it up. Make sure that whenever you're going down, the dumbbells is at your chest level, and whenever you press it up, the dumbbell has to be above your chest and never above your neck or head. Don't let your elbows flare out throughout the movement, as it will risk some shoulders injuries. Make sure to tuck them in by rotating your wrist a little bit inwards. Keep your core engaged, glutes squeezed, and feet stick to the floor throughout the whole movement. Keep on repeating until the set is complete. And whenever you're done, elevate your legs, place the dumbbell on your knees, and then sit down on the bench. And now for the incline bench dumbbell press, put the bench either on 30 or 45 degrees angle, as this is the best two angles to hit your upper chest. The same tips and rules applies. You have to place the dumbbell on your knees, push them backwards until your hands are straight in the air, and then perform the exercise.